This is the SC7011 4K Xtreme Life Night Vision Camera. Designed for indoor, commercial, and industrial locations, this versatile camera has built-in night vision LEDs, a hidden camera, and a video recorder that save recordings to an internal memory card. Battery powered, this unit will record constantly for 16 hours. The motion activation feature will turn the recording on and off, increasing the battery life for days or even weeks, depending on the amount of activity. The battery has a 90-day standby time. It will wait for almost 3 months for a chance to record an incident. The battery takes approximately 10 hours to charge. You can view your video either by removing the card or connecting the device to a standard TV. Using the TV or the card, you can program time, date, and recording settings. The SC7011 4K Xtreme Life Night Vision Camera.